Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to recover your deleted documents of Google Sheet on iPhone. So the first thing you have to do is just go open your Google Sheet application, and after you open it, you just need to make sure that you already signed in or logged in with your account that you want to use here. And here I would like to show you the example first for deleting the document. So let's say I would like to delete this copy of schedule and schedule documents. Just go click the three small dots and remove. You can see now those documents is already removed from our file here. So how to bring them back? You just need to go click the three small dots on the left top corner, and after that you just need to visit the bin side, and there will be appear here the documents that you just delete. And to bring them back, you just need to go click these three small dots here and go click restore. And now let's check either the files is already back or not into the recents, and you'll see now the copy of schedule is already back into our file. So that's the way how to restore or recover the deleted documents on a Google Sheet application. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you guys. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I will see you for the next video.